How to fix copy-paste not working on Windows. 1. Make sure that your Windows is up to date. 2. Run check disk utility. 3. Disable send to Bluetooth add-on in Word/PowerPoint/Excel. 4. Run the roadclip.exe. 5. Restart your PC. 6. Disable VirtualBox's shared clipboard feature. 7. Remove Skype click to call using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 8. Create a new user account. 9. Check your antivirus. 10. Reset or reinstall your system.